All right, so now we got to go test the orange cord, the big long one that's in the chicken run, to make sure that it works. She's gonna get scared. They might follow us this time. We'll see. They didn't do it last time. There's a couple following us.
That's one, two.
I'm very curious about what's happening. I think last time they didn't follow us because we had the shovel. A couple neighbors have some roosters. Yeah, it's over here. All right. Okay, so I'll hold the light and you plug it in. That's right there. See it? On the ground. Is it frozen?
Ow, I can't get it.
Okay, here, let me see if I can. Okay. All right. There we go. Still works. Nice and toasty. Okay. Okay, so now plug the red cord. Here, I'll take this end. Plug it into there. Yep. Says hopefully we'll get a heated water thing again soon. Okay, now plug it in one more time just to make sure.
Works.
Boom. Okay, so now we got to climb back in and put the lamp back
Do
up.
I unplug it?
Yeah. Okay, so now.
Ow.
Yeah, I'm sure it does. Okay, yep, stick it through there. Just keep going and going until you get a little bit left. Then you're gonna have to tuck it over that nail again. There you go. Boom. Good job. Okay.
I'm good.
You're good? Awesome. All right.
Dad, no, don't shut it.
No, shut it. Well, you can look through the little entrance to see if it's on when you haven't plugged it in yet.
How do we plug it in?
Okay, so now grab the red cord and look for the outlet that you didn't get snow in. This one probably. To see. Yeah, it's dangerous, so you don't ever get water in. Okay, and then hang it back up there.
Let's see.
Okay,
Yep.
it's working.
Yep.
Yeah, boom. All right, we did it.
This is Lynn with Primitive Family Farm.